Our topic for today is about odd or even. An even number is a number which is divisible by 2 and has a remainder of 0. 0, by the way, is considered as an even number. On the other hand, odd number is a number that is not divisible by 2. Hence, it has a remainder. In this quiz, all you have to do is to answer in complete sentence. For example, is the sum odd or even? Then you will answer, the sum of 4 and 2 is even. Now, are you ready to answer the quiz? Item number 1. Is the sum odd or even? The sum of 10 and 10 is even. Kindly repeat. Item number 2. Is the sum odd or even? The sum of 13 and 1 is even. Kindly repeat. Item number 3. Is the sum odd or even? The sum of 2 and 5 is odd. Kindly repeat. Item number 4. Is the sum odd or even? The sum of 4 and 2 is even. Kindly repeat. Item number 5. Is the sum odd or even? The sum of 20 and 5 is odd. Kindly repeat. Item number 6. Is the sum odd or even? The sum of 12 and 8 is even. Kindly repeat. Item number 7. Is the sum odd or even? The sum of 8 and 5 is odd. Kindly repeat. Item number 8. Is the sum odd or even? The sum of 22 and 6 is even. Kindly repeat. Item number 9. Is the sum odd or even? The sum of 12 and 6 is even. Kindly repeat. Item number 10. Is the sum odd or even? The sum of 21 and 2 is odd. Kindly repeat. Congratulations kids! Ngayong natuto na kayo sa pag-determine ng odd or even, yayakin mo ang iyong mga samahan o mga kapwa-bata upang matuto sa math. Ito ay libreng serbisyo ng I Volunteer for Filipino Children.